So, friends, after discussing the dashboard and the bookings page, we are now moving ahead on POS. So, this is the POS part that we have. This is a demo account. So, you can create any number of POS services, be it your restaurant or your banquet, your laundry, swimming pool, anything. And for each POS, you will have a separate dashboard where you can view the details on today, weekly, and monthly basis. Okay, details would be including these net sale, how much of discount have been provided in that particular day or weekly or monthly basis. What about the refund, average sale, number of orders that have been done, or any repeating guests? How many orders have been done through dine-in, through delivery, or takeaway? And here, at the bottommost, you can see the payments that have been generated, that too on today, weekly, and monthly basis. And here also you can see the payments through various sources, be it online, through any through cash, through card, and the due amount that yet needs to be taken from the guest. In the rightmost corner, you can see the order sources and the amount and quantity of that particular order, which is your best seller and which is your least seller. So from this category, you can evaluate which products or food you need to remove or improve the quality. All right. So here, clicking on new order, how we can see, you can see two parts. Here, it will be shown like if you I'm just giving you a demo about the restaurant page. Okay. So from here, what you can do, you can be it your staying guest. They also can take orders from your restaurant or any outer guests that come and have food service in your restaurant. So suppose any outer guest comes and arrives at your restaurant, and so how you can take order from here. Suppose you click on any table number. This is the menu that we will create for you. You can select any food, like you select two rolls. You can see the price as soon as you the number you select. Here the price will be increasing or decreasing accordingly. As soon as you click on new KOT, this KOT will be generated and this will be shown on the WhatsApp page of the person that is cooking the food in your kitchen. Okay, that person will be receiving this KOT and he will be preparing the food accordingly. All right, once the food is prepared, steward will be going and delivering that food on that particular table. For that also we have a system like you can see here KDS. It is kitchen display system. So once you fit any kind of screen in your kitchen, just if you have any screen, this part will be for the people or the person preparing the food, and this is for the people who are delivering the food. Okay, from the time the order has been done and till the time the order has been delivered, you can check what is the total time being taken in preparing and delivering of food, so that you can analyze the service that your kitchen people are providing to the guests. Going back on this, we had this order, right? So just as we click on bill, this is the bill that will be generated. You can print the bill, and you go once the payment has been made. From here also you can apply discounts if any. And if you want to attach this to a particular room, you can attach from here as well and close the order. All right. Take the payment, save details, and now it's paid. You can share the same details with the guest over his WhatsApp number. Now, suppose same order you want to create a new order, and one of your staying guests is wants to order any food from your restaurant. So, how you will be doing is you will be selecting the room number. Will be selecting the order from here. Suppose it is this. You can see from here Here you can see the detail of the person staying in that particular room and that room number. All right. Again, you need to click on new KOT. That order has been placed and new KOT has been generated. This will be this the person preparing the food will receive this KOT and accordingly prepare the food. And again, that will be assigned to one of your stewards. Also, you can add as much stewards you have from here. And from here, the order is assigned to one of your stewards. Once you click on bill, this bill is generated, and accordingly, you can share the same with the staying guest. Suppose you click on print. So this is the total bill that has been generated. Now, suppose the guest is requesting that my room bill and my restaurant bill should be integrated. So how you can do it? That is, you need to go back on this, go on bookings, click on this. We talked about view bills, right? Now in this section, Suraj was the person that has ordered a food item from your restaurant. So now once you click on this option and you click on print, you will be now seeing two invoices generated. This is of your restaurant and this is of your room bill. So you will be getting two invoices and you can share the same with your particular guest all at one time. So this was all about the POS service. Likewise, you can create, as I told you earlier, you can create n number of POS services, be it your restaurant, banquet, and every POS service will be having separate dashboards, and you can manage it easily through our software that is hoteliers. That's all. Thank you.